Hello students, today I am going to take first topic from 12th class biochemistry. So let us begin with the lecture. तो आज हम ATP के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। हमारा आज का टॉपिक होगा ATP as a energy currency of cell. So question arises, what is ATP? ATP is a nucleotide, A for adenosine, T for tri and P for phosphate. ATP is a nucleotide composed of phosphate, sugar and nitrogenous base. ATP में phosphate होता है, sugar होती है और nitrogenous base होता है. sugar राइबोस शुगर होती है और nitrogenous base adenine होता है, इसलिए हम इसको adenosine triphosphate बोलते हैं. ATP को एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द सेल कहा जाता है क्योंकि दिस मॉलिक्यूल प्रोवाइड एनर्जी फॉर बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेसेस इन द बॉडी. एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल सिंथेसाइज्ड होता है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में, इसलिए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल भी कहा जाता है. कार्ल लोहमैन वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु डिस्कवर्ड द एटीपी इन 1929. If we look at the structure, we'll find that ATP is made up of phosphate, ribose sugar and adenine base. ATP molecule is composed of three components, three essential component. कौन कौन से three essential component होंगे? सबसे पहला component है ribose sugar. Ribose sugar एक pentose sugar है. Pentose mean 5 carbon sugar है. और नाइट्रोजेनियस बेस है एडेनिन, जो कि अटैच होता है C1 कार्बन के साथ, C1 कार्बन ऑफ द शुगर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ, और 3 फॉस्फेट ग्रुप अटैच होते हैं C5 कार्बन ऑफ द पेंटोज शुगर. So question arises, how is energy produced by the ATP molecule? In biochemical system, in chemistry, the energy is released when the bond is broken down and energy is required when the bond is synthesized. In ATP molecule, there are 3 phosphate group attached to the 5 carbon chain of the ribose sugar, and when this bond is broken down, it produces 30 kilojoule per mole of energy, which is utilized by the cell for their cellular work and chemical synthesis. And the resultant ADP produced is again synthesized with the help of energy from sunlight and one for inorganic phosphate to regenerate ATP again. Function of ATP. The main function of ATP is to provide energy for various reactions taking place inside and outside the cell. The ATP is used for various cellular functions, including transportation of different molecules across cell membrane. Other function of ATP includes supplying the energy required for the muscle contraction, circulation of blood, locomotion, and various body movements. ATP molecule is also used as switch to control chemical reactions and to send messages. For example, when there is enough of ATPs, anabolism will take place. When there is shortage of ATP, cell require energy, so catabolism will take place to provide for the synthesis of ATP. A significant role of ATP apart from energy production includes synthesizing the multi-thousand type of macromolecules that the cell require for their survival. Cell is a continuous process where new macromolecules are synthesized and the old macromolecules are get catabolized to produce energy. So next step is importance of ATP molecule in metabolism. This ATP molecule can be recycled after every reaction. As I already told you in an ATP cycle, ATP molecule provide energy for both the exergonic and endergonic processes. Endergonic process is that process where energy is absorbed, and exergonic processes are those where energy is released. So ATP serve as extracellular signaling molecules and act as a neurotransmitter in both central and peripheral nervous system sometimes. So it acts as a signaling molecule sometimes. It is the only energy which can be directly used for different metabolic processes. Other form of chemical energy need to be converted into ATP before they can be used. Other form of energy, for example, NAD, FAD, NADS2, they have to be converted into ATP before they will be utilized by the biological system or cell. It plays an important role in metabolism, a life-sustaining chemical reaction including cellular division, fermentation, photosynthesis, photorespiration, aerobic respiration, protein synthesis, exocytosis, endocytosis, and mortality, and many more reactions are dependent on ATP and the energy released by the ATP molecule. With this, we conclude our topic. Thank you.